Regular exam, Tiruvan University 2080, Bachelor level 4 years program, education, BA third year, education 431, compulsory, curriculum and evaluation, subject question paper, full marks 100, time 3 hours, there are 3 groups. Group A contains 20 marks, Group B contains 56 marks, and Group C contains 24 marks. Group A, attempt all the questions, take the best answer, marks 20. Question number 1. Curriculum is that series of things which children and youth must do and experience by way of developing abilities to do things well that make up the affairs of adult life and to be in all respect that adult should do. This concept is proposed by A. Taylor, B. Taba, C. Kerr, D. Bobbitt. Question number 2. Curriculum in the strict sense is a statement of list of courses of teaching and instruction. This definition is best related to ... A. Experiences, B. Subject matters, C. Methods, D. Plan. Question number 3. Which statement is true? A. Syllabus is a broader concept. B. Curriculum is a broader concept. C. Syllabus is overall plan for learning. D. Curriculum is a summary of specific activities of students. Question number 4. Which learning theory highly emphasizes on problem solving approach in the teaching learning process? A. Classical condition learning. B. Operant conditioning learning. C. Cognitive learning. D. Trial and error learning. Question number 5. A learner uses previously learned knowledge to accomplish a specific task, particularly in ... A. Metacognition. B. Analysis. C. Knowledge utilization. D. Synthesis. Question number 6. Which of the following design is taken as the most systematic and effective design to provide a common body of knowledge? A. Subject-centered design. B. Problem-centered design. C. Activity-centered design. D. Core design. Question number 7. What is the total working hour for each credit in school education as recommended by National Curriculum Framework 2076? A. 32 hours. B. 33 hours. C. 34 hours. D. 35 hours. Question number 8. What is the main purpose of the local curriculum in the context of Nepal? A. Focus on local knowledge. B. Women's empowerment. C. Representing the diversity. D. National unity. Question number 9. Which of the following is the curricular use of evaluation of students? A. Determine the scope and sequence of content. B. To improve expected change in learners' behavior. C. To promote students. D. To solve educational problem of the country. Question number 10. If a teacher identifies the major problem during instruction, this is ... A. Formative assessment. B. Placement assessment. C. Summative assessment. D. Diagnostic assessment. Question number 11. The process of providing score in numerical form in a specific test is known as ... A. Measurement. B. Test. C. Assessment. D. Evaluation. Question number 12. Two forms of tests are given to the same group of students for a very short duration of time to estimate their reliability. It is related to ... A. Parallel form method. B. Test retest method. C. Split half method. D. KR method. Question number 13. Which one of the following is the most influencing factor that affects the validity of a test? A. Test administration. B. Examiners. C. Students. D. Nature of items of the test. Question number 14. Standardized test is required when the examiner seeks ... A. Objectivity in testing. B. Guidance and counseling. C. Improving teaching process. D. Cost minimizing. Question number 15. Which scoring method is mostly used for scoring subjective items to ensure more reliable results? A. Point scoring. B. Holistic scoring. C. Average scoring. D. Group scoring. Question number 16. The merit of a subjective test is ... A. Easy to score. B. Easy to administration. C. Free from base. D. Original ideas. Question number 17. What is the main objective of analyzing test items? A. To find the difficulty level of item. B. To find the discriminating index of item. C. To select methods of testing. D. To select appropriate test items. Question number 18. A student's PR is 72. What does it signify? A. 71% of students are below him or her. B. 72% of students are below him or her. C. 71% of students are above him or her. D. 72% of students are above him or her. Question number 19. A student got exactly 90% in social study subject in the SEE. Then His GPA score and letter grade is ... A 4.0 N A plus, B 4.0 N A, C 3.9 N A plus, D 3.9 N A. Question number 20. Which evaluation tool takes a long time to assess students' achievement in the teaching learning process? A. Subjective test, B. Checklist, C. Portfolio, D. Objective test. Attempt all the questions. Group B. Marks 8 into 7 equal to 56. Question number 1. There are various concepts of a curriculum in our present practices. Among them, which one do you prefer most? Justify your answer. Question number 2. How do society and culture influence a curriculum? Give your own reasons. Or question. Prepare on behavioral objectives from each of the levels of Bloom's taxonomy. Question number 3. Explain 5 differences between learner-centered curriculum and problem-centered curriculum design. Question number 4. Design the rationale of National Curriculum Framework for School Education 2076. Question number 5. What is the local curriculum? Describe the process of designing a local curriculum. Question number 6. Describe types of students' assessment with examples. Or question. What are the processes of scoring subjective test items? Explain. Question number 7. Describe the concept of an objective type test and prepare any 4 multiple choice items from your specialization area. Question number 8. Compute the mean score from the given information and interpret the result. Marks 0 to 10. 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Number of students 4, 6, 10, 20, 6, 4. Or question. In what ways do objective type tests differ from subjective type tests? Present your own view. Group C. Marks 2 into 12 equal to 24. Question number 9. Present a brief introduction to the existing assessment system at basic school education in Nepal. Question number 10. Illustrate the meaning of portfolio as a tool for student evaluation. How can you prepare an effective portfolio? Give example. Or question. What is the reliability of a test? Describe the various methods of estimating the reliability of the test. नेपालीमा अनुवाद यस प्रकार रहेको छ. ग्रुप बी. क्वेशन नम्बर 1. हाम्रो वर्तमान पाठ्यक्रमका विभिन्न प्रयासहरू रहेका छन्. त्यसमध्ये तपाईलाई सबभन्दा उपयुक्त कुन लाग्छ? किन? तपाई उत्तरलाई जस्टिफाई गर्नुहोस्. क्वेशन नम्बर 2. समाज र संस्कृतिले पाठ्यक्रमलाई कसरी प्रभाव पार्छ? कारणसहित लेख्नुहोस्. अथवा प्रश्न. ब्लुम्स टेक्सोनोमी अन्तर्गत रहेर सबै तहको व्यवहारिक उद्देश्यहरू तयार पार्नुहोस्. क्वेशन नम्बर 3. पाठ्यक्रमको ढाँचा अन्तर्गत सिकारू केन्द्रित पाठ्यक्रम र समस्या केन्द्रित पाठ्यक्रम बीच 5 वटा फरकहरू छुट्याउनुहोस्. क्वेशन नम्बर 4. नेशनल करिकुलम फ्रेमवर्क फर स्कुल एजुकेसन 2076 को औचित्यमाथि प्रकाश पार्नुहोस्. क्वेशन नम्बर 5. स्थानीय पाठ्यक्रम भनेको के हो? स्थानीय पाठ्यक्रम तयार पार्दा गर्नुपर्ने प्रक्रियाहरू उल्लेख गर्नुहोस्. क्वेशन नम्बर 6. विद्यार्थी मूल्याङ्कनको प्रकारहरू उदाहरणसहित व्याख्या गर्नुहोस्. अथवा प्रश्न. विषयगत परीक्षणको स्कोरिङको प्रक्रियाहरू के छन्? व्याख्या गर्नुहोस्. क्वेशन नम्बर 7. वस्तुगत परीक्षाको धारणा स्पष्ट पार्नुहोस् र तपाईको विशेषीकरण क्षेत्रबाट 4 वटा बहुवैकल्पिक प्रश्नहरू तयार पार्नुहोस्. क्वेशन नम्बर 8. दिएको तालिकाबाट मिन निकाल्नुहोस्. अथवा प्रश्न. विषयगत प्रश्न वस्तुगत प्रश्न भन्दा कुन अर्थमा फरक छ? तपाईको धारणा स्पष्ट पार्नुहोस्. ग्रुप सी. मार्क्स 12 into 2 equal to 24. क्वेशन नम्बर 9. नेपालको आधारभूत विद्यालय शिक्षामा मूल्याङ्कन पद्धति कस्तो किसिमको रहेको छ? छोटकरीमा व्याख्या गर्नुहोस्. क्वेशन नम्बर 10. विद्यार्थीको मूल्याङ्कन गर्ने सन्दर्भमा पोर्टफोलियोको अर्थ के हो? स्पष्ट पार्नुहोस् र तपाईले इफेक्टिभ पोर्टफोलियो कसरी तयार पार्नुहुन्छ? उदाहरणसहित व्याख्या गर्नुहोस्. अथवा प्रश्न. परीक्षणमा विश्वसनीयता भनेको के हो? विश्वसनीयता पत्ता लगाउने विभिन्न तरिकाहरूको बारेमा व्याख्या गर्नुहोस्. बीएड फर्स्ट इयरदेखि फोर्थ इयरसम्मका जुनसुकै विषयका प्रश्नपत्रहरू चाहिएमा वी लर्न टुगेदर 1M को प्लेलिस्ट बीएड मेटेरियल एन्ड क्वेसन पेपरमा गई खन्नुहोला र ती क्वेसनहरूको हेल्पले प्रिपरेसन राम्रो गरी एक्जाम राम्रो गर्नुहोला. लर्न टुगेदर 1M भित्रका सम्पूर्ण भिडियोलाई लाइक, कमेन्ट, सब्स्क्राइब, सेयर गर्न नभुल्नुहोला.